Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to part 2 of my fabric haul. Y'all, if you have not seen part 1, go ahead and click on that video and see the amazing patterns that I got. But if you're new here, my name is Lucia. I'm the travel lover that's always trying to escape the daily grind and beat post-vacation blues. And here on this channel, I share with you behind the scenes of my travel-inspired home fragrance and decor business, as well as bits and pieces of my daily life in between vacations. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. Alright, so these fabrics, all the fabrics I purchased from Etsy, because for some reason I'm able to find different unique patterns compared to if I go to Joann's or Hobby Lobby. Well, okay. So anyway, these are the Ankara fabric, the African Ankara fabric, and these are beautiful. I believe these are in like 8x8 or 10x10 squares, but I'm gonna be making well, these earrings that I have on, you saw in the last video, these are made from Indian sari fabric. So it's a sari fabric fringe and just a little detail there. And I'm going to be making some more earrings and just offering travel lovers like myself some style that they can incorporate in their daily accessories, okay? Their daily looks when they're not on vacation, okay? Look at this, y'all. I just love the bold and bright patterns. Just the yellows and the tangerines and the blues. It is beautiful. Here is this one here. It's okay. Like, I feel like I might pair this with something else, but I will be making earrings out of these and doing something a bit, just kind of, I want to do something a bit different, but we'll see how that goes. I really like this pattern here. It is beautiful orange and you have the yellow and kind of have a floral detail there. This one is an interesting pattern. I'm like, okay, it's very bold, which I like, the blues and yellows. And this one here is red. I'm not really a red person except for lipstick, but this is a really nice bold pattern as well. So anyway, y'all, if you're a sewer, let me know, like, what are the best tips in sewing and keeping a straight line? When I was practicing on sewing, I was using, they had like a little, I used like a tape, like a piece of tape, a washi tape, to kind of line up the fabric and keep it straight when I had sewed. But I just could not get it, and I would get so frustrated because my machine keep jamming up at the bottom. But anyway, look at this pattern. This is beautiful as well. It's like a turquoise, teal blue, and yellow and orange florals. Beautiful. This one is really nice too. So this was a bundle set, so I believe there's at least 25. Look at that, y'all. And have you Mod Podge? Have you used, I have actually Mod Podged a wooden frame with fabric. So that was pretty cool. This one has got some stiffness to this, okay. This is nice. It's kind of like a burgundy brown and some navy blue detail in there. But yeah, I will be making earrings. Either fringe earrings with these or some stud earrings. And this is a beautiful blue and orange tangerine pattern. But these will also be great just to use in like home decor, even putting on a vase. And then you have this yellow and purple one here. Okay. And then this is kind of interesting. Some geometric shapes or whatever. But yeah, y'all, where do you tend to buy your fabrics? Do you normally go to Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's craft store? No, Michael's doesn't even sell any crafts. This is beautiful. Do you see this? This bold blue and the yellow and green. Oh my goodness, it's like this chartreuse green color. I love the color combo. But let me know, where do you tend to buy your fabrics from that are good prices and that are quality? I love Joann's because them coupons be coming in handy, okay? Here's another beautiful pattern. This is orange, tangerine orange, and this green detail. Love it. This is, I'm telling you, these patterns remind me of a getaway. And that is exactly what I'm going for. Like, even though I might not be on vacation, I want to look and feel and have that glow like I am on vacation, okay? And this is just simple black and white, looks like a tribal print or batik print fabric. These are nice and sturdy. I think the shop name was Chrysalis on Etsy. This is a beautiful bold pattern. It's kind of like this fan tail. It says yellow, and then you have the red detail. Beautiful, y'all. So I think it was 25 pieces. I think at least 25. I feel like it's been more. For I think 25 for either 20. It wasn't bad. It was a pretty good deal. And then you have this navy blue and red detail. Y'all, I'm loving these patterns and these prints. And then you have this beautiful pink pattern with this kind of like burgundy magenta swirls. I'm gonna have so much fun with these earrings, making these earrings. Okay, then you have this green, this olive green and blue and yellow detail. Okay, and then let's see, we have this one here, this bluish green. I've seen patterns like this before in the African batik. This is really pretty. I like this as well. And y'all, this one here, this is bold. This is some bold floral, okay? I can also see, I did try my hand at making makeup pouches. That did not turn out well at all. And it seems so simple for the pattern. But I just could not, my seams, not the seams, I just could not get the thread to be straight, my lines to be straight, and it was so frustrating. And I had a brother machine. It was a beginner one, so it didn't have like the electronic features like most of the modern sewing machines have. It was like a basic brother sewing machine. Let me know down below if there's any particular beginner sewing machines that you would recommend. Because I would like to make little makeup pouches, coin purses. I would like to do my infinity scarves that I had made. Those were really nice when I had done them, okay? And then the last one is this beautiful cobalt blue. You have like this tangerine yellow, or tangerine orange, and black dots. So that is super cute. Y'all, I'm gonna try to wrap this up. And I also, so that was the African wax fabric. And I also got some kimono silk fabric. So it's from remnants of kimonos. And this is so beautiful. So beautiful and so soft. And this was from Yoko Beverly Hills on Etsy. Okay, and I just got a little bundle that they had, and these fabrics are so delicate, so soft, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So it's this beautiful corally pink color, and it has like this leafy detail. Oh my gosh, yes. These are all gonna be turned into earrings, y'all, okay? So stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm gonna have to show you what I come up with. And then this one is this purple lilac color, and has like a little floral detail stem there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're just so delicate, and I'm like, oh, these are so pretty. And then this one's pretty neutral. It's like a beige color, pretty low key. And then this light blush pink, and it has a little floral, little dainty little flower detail there. but so pretty as well. And then these last two, this one's like it's like a bluish, like a pale blue grayish color, and it is just so pretty, so pretty. And then you have the gray diamond detailed on this one. So those are from kimono remnants, like silk kimonos, remnants of that. And then what I used to make these beautiful earrings that I'm wearing, I had ordered some saris, silk saris, and y'all, I'm gonna have to do a part 3, okay? Like, I'm gonna have to do a part 3. So meet me on part 3 because I have more. Okay, I will call you back. I will see you on the next video. Meet me back here so I can share with you the sari fabric that I got. Y'all, until next video, live life goldenly. I'll see you on the next one.